Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your font on your Shopify store. So first go to your Shopify admin panel, and then on the left panel go to the online store. Now on the right click on customize. Now on the left panel click on the setting gear icon and then go to the typography. Now heading font, so now we are gonna choose the heading font. Click on change and you can choose any of font. Let's say we are gonna add Poppins, or let's say we are gonna use Poppins. Select and you can see the font is now Poppins, and then on the bottom here you will see the font weight. You can choose regular, light, italic. So let's say you want to choose light and italic. Just select and then it will be italic. So you can choose extra bold also, so it will be extra bold. So go back to regular. Now let's see how to change the body font. So these are the body font. So just click on this cross icon and then scroll down, and this is the body. Just click on change. So now you can choose any of font, or you can search for Montserrat or any font. So the body font is now Montserrat. So after complete your change, then on the top right corner click on save. So this is how you can change font in your Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.